Hey bro. Today I'll teach you how to create your own server in Minecraft TLauncher with your friends. I know you want to know how to create your own server in the cracked version of Minecraft TLauncher. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. Open your browser, then search for aternos.org. I have already an account. You can create an account by clicking sign up. I didn't show the creating account because it was easy to understand. After you create an account, click server. Click the software, then click vanilla. Then choose whatever version you want to play. Then click install. After that, go to options to change the settings. You can change the name of the server and logo. In the next step, you can see the server properties at the bottom. You can change the slots, game mode, difficulty, whitelist, cracked, PvP, fly, command blocks, animals, monsters, villagers, nether, force game mode, spawn protection, etc. Go to the server, then click start. I have already server, but they are just the same process. To join your server and your friends, click connect. You can see the IP and port, combine them. Then share with your friends to join them to your server. Now open your TLauncher or any crack you have, then you should choose the correct version you created in your server. I choose 1.16.4 with Optifine, because I have shader. Don't worry, the next video I will upload about the shaders for Minecraft. You can see the server was starting, it's online. Now go to multiplayer, then type your IP and port like this. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button bro. Thumbs up.